I have a privilege as a U.S. constitutional person to say I'm white. I don't have to show you my ID. I'm in a public place.
You're not going to show me your ID?
I'm black. I'm black. My grandfather is black.
Officers got multiple calls that there was a lady walking around the airport in Dallas, Texas, yelling racial slurs at other passengers. This is what happened when the officers confront her.
Stop. We're going out.
No, we're not.
You're not going to get rebooked. You're causing a disruption. Stop.
No, I'm not. No,
Ma'am.
I'm not. No, I'm
You're
not.
going to go out the doors.
No, I'm not.
You are. We've gotten numerous
Because
calls.
I'm
People have
walking
flagged
through
us
and
down.
saying I'm white. Because I'm walking through saying I'm a white person.
How much have you had to drink today?
I'm walking through saying I'm white.
How much have you had to drink today?
I'm walking through saying I'm white.
You're causing a disruption.
I can't say I'm white.
You're causing a disruption.
What disruption?
And they're not going to fly you.
What disruption am I causing?
You have
I'm
multiple
walking
people
through.
flagging us down.
What disruption? I'm white.
Okay.
What
Let me see your boarding pass.
What if I'm black?
Let me see your boarding pass.
No.
Did you fly in or are you flying out?
What if I was black?
I don't care
what if I was black?
race you are. I have no
Well,
care
what if
whatsoever.
what if I was black?
Okay.
All I'm walking through and saying I'm white. I can't walk through as a U.S. citizen and say I'm white.
How much have you had to drink?
Does it matter?
Because you're showing signs of intoxication.
No.
People don't act like this.
No. Why can I not walk through and be an American citizen and say I'm white?
You're causing people alarm, concern.
Oh.
You're causing people to move out of your way.
Oh, really? Because I'm walking through and saying I'm white? Because I'm saying I'm white? I have a privilege as a U.S. constitutional person to say I'm white.
Okay, but you don't have a right to be intoxicated, and I can smell it on your breath.
Well, I'm white.
How much have you had to drink?
Are you going to arrest me because I'm white?
I don't know what you're getting
arrest me
at.
because I'm white?
I've never said anything about that, so I don't know what your point is.
Okay, well, what is your...
Where's your ID? That's my point.
I don't have to show you my ID. I'm in a
You're not going to show me your ID?
I don't have to
Are you going to give him your ID? Yes, you do. Show him your ID right now.
I'm investigating public intox.
Are you done?
I'm done. I think we're good.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Don't resist.
We're done. I need to do that.
Are you kidding me?
Absolutely
Don't
not.
tense up. Let go.
This is America.
It is. We're a nation of laws.
Ready? I'll grab her. Let's go ahead and get her out.
Daughter, get an
Don't tense up.
abortion.
Do you need me to? Are they too loose?
That one's too loose.
Which one is too loose? Stop it.
Stop tensing up.
Stop it.
All I did was say, are you white? All I said was, are you white? All I said was, are you white?
Can you go all the way down with it?
Oh, this is here we are.
Is that better?
Are you white? Are you white?
Let's go.
Are you white?
Let's go.
Are you business?
Good job. Stop.
Stop it. Stop with this.
Let's go through here. Excuse us. Walk. Stand up.
Wow. Wow. Are you white? 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 This is what happens if you ask someone if you're white. This is what happens if you ask someone if you're white. Wow. Are you white? This is what asking someone if you're white. If you're white, all I said was, are you white? Because you're not. Wow. Are you white? Don't ask someone if you're white.
Cynthia tried to kick one of the police officers while walking outside. She lost her balance and fell pretty hard on her face. The officers had to call an ambulance to have her checked out.
If you're white!
Stop it.
Walk.
Did she kick you?
Yeah.
If you're white!
Don't let her bite you. Watch her
I'm
mouth.
not gonna bite
Yeah,
anyone.
she'll do it once.
If you're white. If you're white.
Yeah, go ahead.
Are you white?
She has white stuff on her nose.
Are you white? All I ask is, are you white?
Stirrup.
Are you white?
Don't move. Put your feet out straight now. Put your feet out straight. Don't move.
Shut the f
Already
up!
kicked me once. We're done.
Are you white? Are you white? Are you white? The only thing I asked.
You, go.
Are you white? Are you white? Are you white? Are you white? That's all I've asked. Are you white? It's the only thing I've asked. Are you white?
Hey,
Are you white? Are you white? Is the only thing I asked. Are you white? Is the only thing I asked. Are you white? God, you f***ing people don't know who the f*** I am or who I know. Are you white? Are you white? Are...
They have to wait a while before the ambulance gets there, but don't worry, Cynthia doesn't seem bored.
Are you white? Are you white? Are you white? Oh, I can't wait because I know so many people. Are you white? Excuse me, are you white? 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 Oh my goodness gracious, I think I see something. Mexican.
While Cynthia lays on the floor screaming, police officers are going through her luggage to find the rest of the white stuff seen around her nose.
Are you white? 800 Only thing I ask. Are you white?
Yeah, put this on her face.
Are you white? I can't wait to go on Tucker Carlson and Laura Graham because I know them personally. Can't wait. Can't wait.
if you bite him, you're gonna be charged. Lift your head up. Lift your head up. Lift your head up.
Wow, what has this country come to that you will not allow someone to say, are you white? Get this off my face. Please, I am a citizen. Get it off my face. If not, I will sue every one of you. I am so sorry that I am a beautiful white person and said, are you white? I'm so sorry. OMG! OMG! God, what are you doing about the black assholes who are walking around? Oh, I said black. Oh, God, I said black. Oh, my God, I said black. I said black. Oh, my God, I said black. I said the word black. Oh, my God, I said black. I said the word black. I said the word black. You're beating the shit out of me. Black! Black. This is because I'm not black. Hey, lady, I'm not black.
Hey, shut your mouth.
Hey,
Stop.
I'm not black.
Enough.
No, I'm not black. I'm not black. I'm white. I'm white. My father is black. My grandfather is a black person. My grandfather is black. My grandfather is black. So you listening? My grandfather is black. I'm black. I'm black. My grandfather is black.
How are you? I'm good. How are you?
I'm fantastic. Someone in here.
So she wouldn't tell us anything. Her pupils are super dilated.
What I said was, I'm not a white person. I am a white person. But my grandfather is John Anderson.
Okay.
He is, yeah, all these people.
Here, let me look at your eyes.
Wow, where is,
Look at my face.
They're fine. They're fine. My eyes are fine. My eyes are fine.
Okay. But you didn't take anything? You didn't do anything?
No, I did not.
Okay. You know where you're at right now?
Yes, I'm at the Dallas Fort Worth Airport.
Okay. You know what day of the week it is?
What?
What day of the week is it?
It is Saturday. Ole Miss won.
Okay.
Ole Miss won. You have another question for me?
Sure, what's going on?
What is going on? Look around.
What's going on? What happened leading up to this?
I was walking through the airport. Okay, I was walking through the airport. Sorry, I was walking through the airport. And you know what I said? You know what I said? You know what I said?
What'd you say?
Hey, don't kick me. Don't kick me.
I'm not. I'm not going to kick you. I'm not going to kick you. I swear to God, I will not kick you.
All right.
Do you know why? What I said?
No, what'd you say?
I said, you don't have to wear your mask.
Okay.
I live in Mississippi.
Can you give me
I am a Republican.
It's right there, it's
I'm a
so-
Republican.
Okay.
I'm not going to kick you.
You better not.
I'm not, because you can hit me like my husband hits me.
No, we don't do that.
Yeah. Will you ask him to take his hands off of me? Will you ask him to take his hands off of me?
Well, that's quite a lot of people for one woman.
He's talking to somebody over the radio. Hold on.
I'm not going to do anything to anybody.
Did you guys get her out here? Or inside? Inside. Yeah.
Because I just said to people, quit wearing your mask. That's all I said. That's all I said.
And now it's another story again?
Excuse me. Excuse me. And they ripped me up and told me, oh, you want to know what they said to me? You want to know what they said to me?
No, but my name's Jake and I'm going to take you to the hospital because your vital signs are pretty elevated right
Do
now.
you know what they said?
So, let's go ahead and stand
No. Wait, because I don't want to pay $3,000.
Well, you're in custody right now. So
$3,000 for an ambulance ride? Glad I'm no American.
well, you're in custody right now, so that's kind of not up to
Will you
you.
please wait? So you think I'm gonna go in cardiac arrest?
No, but
I'm 59. I'm 59. Tell him to get his hands.
Stand
Will
up.
you tell?
just pick her up. It might be easier. That's fine. What unit are you guys?
Somebody, that's fine. I just you kind of let them know that she got hurt. So that's fine. Yeah.
Hey,
That's fine. We're here.
to do an IV, is that okay?
Yeah. There's another sit on.
Sit up just a little bit, okay?
I'll do whatever you ask me to do. You're in charge.
I'll attach that cuff to this side. You
Yeah.
want to cuff that on?
Yeah.
I'm okay.
I checked her bags. I couldn't find anything. We dug through everything.
I don't have anything in my bags. I have nothing. Pull my bags, please. Pull my bags, please. Great. Are you gonna text my husband? So I'll be beat. So, excuse me.
Going the report. You were off.
Look up the fact that my husband, look up my records.
Hey, listen to the paramedic.
Look up my record.
Listen to the
and-
paramedic.
No.
Cynthia.
Look up my record, and he beats the ever-living shit out of me. Look me up.
Ma'am.
Just why won't you even look me up?
Ma'am.
Why won't you even look me up?
Cynthia, listen to the paramedics.
Look
Hey,
me
I
up.
need you to relax. Cynthia. So he can start
Look
IVing.
me up.
Scoot back.
You're okay.
Are you black?
I am not.
Do you have a parent that's black?
I do not.
My grandfather was black.
Oh, really? My grandma's Japanese.
Oh, you're white, so you're privileged.
Taking that.
Oh my God, you're white, so you're privileged.
Taking that for
You're privileged.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna stay out of their way.
Okay.
Anytime she sees one of us, she's gonna.
Fair enough.
This is what you get when you're. Sorry, I'm a Republican. This is what happens when you're a Republican. I didn't do anything wrong. Jacob, I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do any drugs. I didn't do anything except have several beers.
I'm okay with it. I don't get enough of this on day shift.
I didn't do anything wrong.
I can change that.
I didn't do anything wrong. Sorry if I asked you if you were black.
It's fine. I just need you to take a deep breath right now, okay?
Sorry if I asked you if you had black in your
Cynthia.
family. I said my grandfather was
Cynthia,
black.
Cynthia, hey, we're trying to help you.
This
Cynthia.
is what happens to me. A pretty white person. Oh my God. Oh my God. Everybody, if they're black, I'm
Hey,
white.
Cynthia,
I'm,
we're doing good.
I'm white. I'm white. Excuse me. I'm f***ing white.
Yep, we see that.
Yeah. You. Yeah, you're fat too. Really, it's not. Is it not? Oh, I can't wait. Hey, it happens if you get fat, and I'm not fat, and I'm 59. How old's your mother? What does she look like? What does your mother look like? Oh, she's black! Oh, like I said. Am I not funny? No.
I'm going to take credit for that one.
You are going to take credit for that one forever.
And well, she should, and well, you should. But excuse me, but it's extreme. Okay.
All right, if you behave,
So I'm.
how about that?
You got it, Cynthia?
Cynthia was eventually charged with assault of a public servant and resisting arrest without violence. Any other details are unfortunately not known.